Dun 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 dun. We're gonna mop. We're gonna mop. Take it, put it in the water. Mix up your stuff. You know what I mean, jelly beans. I always spin it, put it down towards the bottom, rinse. Put it down. There we go. So most people, they just go like this. But if you want to get time, this is all mainly just dust. So what I do is I flap it down like this, and then I just kind of come under. Take the garbage bag, move it over. And then once you get that, just come over, put all that good stuff. Come over this spot and get all that goodness. Same thing right here. It's always good to mop in the mornings if you own a business. Main thing, you flip it over. Look at that, guys. See how that mop goes? Picks it up nice. But that is right the easiest way that I know to mop. So, just so you know, have it like that, and it should go pretty good as long as you don't hit your feet. Look at that. Check it out.